Happening now in eastern Iowa, needle pricks for shots and vaccinations could soon be a thing of the past. And researchers at the University of Iowa's Pharmacy College are working to make that a reality for people of all skin types. KWWL reporter Ashley Neighbor spoke with an assistant professor behind the research today, and she is now live from our Cedar Rapids newsroom with this story. Ashley.
Well, Abby, microneedles have been around since the 1970s in theory, and there are a lot of different types that are now beginning to be researched thanks to improved technologies. Now, the University of Iowa researchers are using a specific type to help conduct a case trial. It might not look like a big deal, but this tiny patch has huge potential.
We could deliver those drugs through the skin through a painless process that would not involve needle phobia and things that other people really avoid at the doctor.
Using what researchers like Dr. Nicole Brogden call a microneedle patch. It's made up of dozens or even thousands of tiny little needles, creating an array.
And what we do is we apply that array to the skin. That basically creates some pores in the skin that we can then use for delivering a drug into the skin.
These patches could be more effective than giving medicine through a pill.
The body goes through a process where a lot of that drug gets removed before it's even available to treat the condition.
UI researchers are focusing their efforts on how different skin ethnicity types would react to the patch, something that hasn't been studied before.
Different ethnic skin types have different challenges. They will respond to things like needles differently. Different kinds of skin will scar differently. They may have just different reactions.
They're conducting a pilot study at the University of Iowa Hospital and Clinics that tests how long different skin types take to return to normal, which is essential before patches like these hit the market and go global. Now, Dr. Brogden said that these patches have immense potential, especially for improving health care in third world countries where access to medicine and doctors can be scarce. So this is really the first step for that. I'm live in the Cedar Rapids newsroom. Ashley Neighbor, News 7 KWWL.
Ashley, thank you. And University of Iowa researchers say that the next step is going to be an actual drug delivery case trial.